This is Jack and Casey, and this is their new Snoo, the smartest baby bed ever made. Sorry. So, your new parents, boy or girl?
A girl, 2 months.
Her name's Ruby.
I gotta say, you two seem pretty well rested. Ruby must be a good sleeper.
Well, she is now.
Should have seen us a few weeks ago. Thanks for making the coffee, hon.
I didn't make coffee. Hello?
But then
We heard about Snoo.
Snoo is a new innovation from the doctor who created the 5 S's. It helps all night to lessen crying and boost sleep. Snoo's fast and easy 5-second swaddle keeps even little Houdini babies nice and snug.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Right? I think it's the nicest thing in our house.
The special swaddle wings keep your baby on the back, which makes Snoo not just the smartest baby bed ever made, but the safest too. Like your own personal night nurse, Snoo quickly responds to cries with the extra white noise and motion your baby loved in the womb.
This changes everything.
Snoo helps us all get a little more sleep.
Which keeps things a lot more sane around here.
I think we're really getting the hang of this.
Well done, you two. Sorry, I'll just be going now.
Being a new parent is exhilarating and exhausting. It's full of wonder and worry.
You never know what to do with a newborn when you bring them home.
This whole experience about being a mom is unlike anything anybody can prepare you for.
We developed the Smart Changing Pad to make it easy to track your baby's weight, feedings, diaper changes. All the information syncs to your phone, so you can see how your baby is growing. Tell how much your baby nurses during a feeding, and keep track of how much your baby's sleeping.
I was really anxious about whether I was making enough milk, but after using the Smart Changing Pad, it showed me that I was actually producing more milk nursing than I was pumping. I was so relieved.
Checking my baby's weight as part of our regular routine gives me comfort that my baby's okay.
Since my babies were born, I tracked pretty much everything. Diaper changes, how long they slept, how much they ate, and what's great about the Hatch Baby app is it keeps it all in one place.
I just went back to work and I was really worried about the transition. But then when I got a notification at work, it made me feel connected to him again.
You'll know your baby's growing. You'll know your baby's healthy. And that means more time for the good stuff. The Smart Changing Pad from Hatch.
When it comes to baby food, it's hard to stay on top of ingredients, consistencies, and servings. And getting the facts straight on store-bought baby food can be extremely confusing. The Cuisinart Baby line takes the guesswork out of mealtime by putting the power of natural or organic ingredients in your hands. Introducing the Cuisinart Baby Food Maker. Never again worry that your baby isn't receiving the best, freshest foods possible. This powerful machine steams, chops, and purees your nutritious ingredients with ease, making homemade baby food the gold standard for your baby. The generous 4-cup work bowl produces large batches of vegetables, meats, and even fruits that you can freeze and store for convenient future use. Make baby food in 3 simple steps. First, steam raw ingredients by using the integrated measuring cup to add the right amount of water. Next, start by first chopping the ingredients, then puree for quick and easy baby food with a perfectly smooth consistency every time. The steam blade creates even steam distribution for quicker, more efficient results. The bowl seal prevents spilling and steam escape, and when you're ready to pour, the patent-pending blade lock system keeps the blade in place and out of your way. And when making large batches of baby food, conveniently save them in the Cuisinart baby food storage containers. With specially designed racks that fit neatly inside the baby food maker, the baby food storage containers make reheating your baby food quick and easy. The Cuisinart Baby Food Maker also includes a built-in bottle warmer function to warm bottles to the perfect temperature. Control what goes into your baby's tummy simply and easily by making your own baby food right at home.
The first thing I think about when being a new parent is, you come home from the hospital and you feel this full weight of responsibility. I remember when my son Ashton was born, looking at him and just like making this promise, me to him, like, I'm gonna be there for you. I'm gonna do everything I can to make sure that you're happy and you're safe and you're healthy. And Owlet really believes in building technology that helps parents do that.
We launched SmartSock 1 a little over a year ago. Since then, we've had almost 100,000 people who have used the device. But as excited as we are about that, we're even more excited to launch SmartSock 2. SmartSock 2 is a complete rewrite of our previous version that enhances everything we wish we could have done the first time around.
We met with several users to find out exactly what their needs were. And we went through prototype after prototype and iteration after iteration to make sure that the baby's needs were in mind. So what we did was we came up with a universal design that could be used on either foot, as well as we made a new breathable toe so that all 3 sock sizes have the most comfort and breathability for your baby. We're also excited because it has this new comfort mechanism so that no matter how tight or loose the sock is, it'll always be in the right spot.
As we dove into the data, one of the immediate improvements we needed to make was to drastically improve Bluetooth range. We went all the way down to the hardware and decided to spin our own RF design. It allowed us to get an antenna that matched perfectly for our application. Additionally, we were able to add a low noise amplifier to the base station, which essentially made it so that the base station had better ears. And then we added a 3D antenna. Essentially, this antenna just got a lot bigger and a lot stronger so that we could get a lot more range. We're seeing on average customers will experience a 10 to 12x Bluetooth range improvement depending on their environment.
To put that in perspective, with some parents, they couldn't go more than 10 feet with the very first sock, meaning it had to be right outside the baby's window or the baby had to be right in your same room with you. Now, we've had people that are able to have homes where the baby is 3 levels above where you sleep and it's still connected.
I've been using it in my home for the last 5 months. We've been testing and I just love that the range from the sock to the base station has increased. That makes it more usable for my wife and I because it means the base station can now actually be on our nightstand and that allows me to wake up at night and just glance at the base station, know everything's okay. The Owlet Smart Sock enables parents to have that reactive nature to monitoring, and you can actually get insights from the data that will help you be a more proactive parent.
After using the SmartSock 1, the SmartSock 2 is an incredibly different experience. We're really excited for parents to use the new SmartSock 2.
The new SmartSock 2 is going to revolutionize the way we're able to care for our infants at home. We love them so much, we'd do anything for our kids. Owlet's mission really is to enable parents with technology that allows them to be there, to be more in tune with what their baby needs. And we believe that SmartSock 2 takes that to the next level and really allows parents to feel completely empowered in the home.
Why are you smiling so much today, huh? Cha, Papa already told you, huh?
It's the inauguration of our restaurant. Our little princess has to be the first one to know about it.
That's right. Come, baby, come. It's getting late, Papa. I'll manage everything. I'll be there by 10. Chalo, jao.
Are you sure you'll be able to manage?
Yes.
And what about Myra?
Come on, Amit. We've taken care of that, haven't we? Now go, you'll get late. Cool. Yeah. So they'll be there by 2? Huh, perfect. Come here. Oh. You know what's today? Today's Papa's big day, yeah. And Mama needs to go to Papa, right? And then when you're a big girl, we'll go to Papa's restaurant and we'll eat all the cakes. But until you're 6 months old, nothing but your mama's milk for you. That's because this is going to make you a healthy and strong baby. And Mama will make sure that you get it. Even when Mama has to go out. Ma? हाँ बेटा ये please ये लो जी Myra's breastfeeding time is in 2 hours, huh? Okay. My baby. फ्लावर्स हमारे सारे रेडी हो गए, रिबन हो गया, परफेक्ट, ये हो गया, ठीक है। बस अब आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि पार्किंग में कोई दिक्कत ना हो जाए इसका, हाँ? एक सेकेंड।
कितने टाइम नंबर?
चलो आप चलो, मैं आ रही हूँ।
प्लीज बी ऑनलाइन।
Hi ma. It's time, huh? All good?
Oh, everything is perfect. And why wouldn't it be? Baby's getting a good, healthy start. Myra, say thank you, Mama.